Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a planner on Canva. So let's get started. First of all, open Canva and click on create a design and choose your planner size. You can go with A4, US letter or custom size for digital planners, but I'll suggest you to go for A4, which is very good for printing. Next, you're going to decide your planner type. You want daily planner, weekly planner, monthly planner, or a full planner bundle. Now it's time to build the structure once you have selected the planner type. So you're going to click on elements and then search for shapes, and you can add rectangles or squares or lines to divide sections. For example, I'm going to make the top section for date and title and the middle one for tasks or schedule, and leave the side one for notes or priorities. Make sure everything is aligned properly using Canva's guides. Next, click on text and add a heading and start labeling your sections. Common planner headings include to-do list, priorities, notes, goals. Choose clean readable fonts and keep consistency across the design. For better organization, you can go to elements and search for tables for schedules, or you can also search for grids for structured layouts. This is especially useful for weekly or monthly planners. Now make your planner visually appealing. You can change colors to match your theme, add icons, use soft backgrounds or minimal designs. Keep it simple and professional and avoid clutter. If you're creating a full planner, you can duplicate your page for multiple days or weeks and customize each page like Monday, Tuesday. This saves a lot of time. Once your planner is ready, you can click on share at the top right and then click on download. You can choose whether you want PDF print or PDF standard, which is for digital use. You can also share it as a link if you need. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.